That little box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen? It might be one of the most underrated health tools on the planet. And big pharmaceutical companies definitely don't want you to know why. Most people just use it for baking or deodorizing the fridge, but today I'm showing you over 8 powerful ways it can help your body, your skin, and even your workouts. Before we jump in, let me know in the comments where you're watching from today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Now, let's dive in. 1. Say goodbye to heartburn. That burning sensation after a heavy meal. A tiny bit of baking soda in water can neutralize stomach acid fast. It's the same stuff found in expensive antacids, just way cheaper. 2. Soothe itchy skin plus bug bites. Mix baking soda with water into a paste and apply it to itchy skin or bites. It calms irritation and helps with swelling naturally. 3. Freshen your breath plus protect your teeth. Baking soda fights bacteria in your mouth, whitens teeth, and freshens breath. That's why it's in so many toothpastes. Want a simple rinse? Mix baking soda and a pinch of salt in warm water. It's gentle and surprisingly effective. 4. Relieve joint pain. Here's the surprising part. Studies suggest baking soda might actually reduce inflammation in the body. Some people with arthritis report feeling better after drinking a little baking soda in water daily, but always check with your doctor first. 5. Fight fungal infections. It has antifungal powers. Baking soda can help with mild skin and nail fungus, a natural way to deal with these common issues. 6. Exfoliate rough spots. Dry elbows or heels. Rub a little baking soda paste on them. It gently scrubs away dead skin and leaves it soft and smooth. 7. Support kidney health. Baking soda can take pressure off your kidneys by helping your body handle acidity. In some studies, people with kidney issues who took small amounts of baking soda had slower disease progression. 8. Boost workout performance. Ever feel that burn in your muscles during intense exercise? That's lactic acid. Baking soda may help neutralize it, giving you more endurance and faster recovery. Even soaking in a baking soda bath post-workout can help. Now, a quick but important safety warning. Baking soda is high in sodium, so those with high blood pressure, heart issues, or kidney disease should be cautious. Some general guidelines. Don't exceed 3.5 teaspoons per day. If you're over 60, keep it below 1.5 teaspoons daily. Never use maximum amounts for more than 2 weeks. Always dissolve it fully in water, sip slowly, and don't take it on a full stomach. Don't give it to kids under 6 without a doctor's guidance. Avoid taking it within 2 hours of any medication, pregnant or nursing. Consult your doctor first. Side effects of overuse can include nausea, stomach pain, or in rare cases, serious issues like seizures or heart problems. Have you tried baking soda for any of these things? Or do you have a secret use of your own? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear how you use this $1 miracle powder. And if this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. See you next time.